Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to talk about pandemic pay for PSWs and what that looks like. So the pandemic pay was issued, I believe, in June by the government of Ontario. The goal of it was to provide relief to frontline workers. It was to encourage staff to continue working and to attract other employees. This is basically how I've been keeping track of my pay. I've just been keeping track on a little sheet with all the days. I've been putting in how many hours I work each day, and then at the bottom I add it up and I've divided it into the 4 periods. The first one is April 24th until May 21st. The second one is May 22nd until June 18th. The third one is June 19th until July 16th. And the last one is July 17th until August 13th. April 24th until August 13th, pandemic pay is being rolled out to anybody who's eligible. You can look up who's eligible. I'll try to link that all down below. They're giving out bonuses to anybody who's working more than 100 hours, not per pay period, but per period. They didn't divide it out per pay period because everybody gets paid differently everywhere. So when you're looking at it, don't add up your pay stubs. Go through and actually add up the hours you worked during those days. If you add it up and it's more than 100, you get that $250 bonus, and that $250 bonus is only up until $1,000. I have gotten the $250 bonus on each period. I've made sure I'm working more than 100 hours. So I've been good for the hours, but anybody who had vacation time unfortunately was missing a couple hours because although you're getting paid for your vacation time, those hours are not going to be there on your period because it's actual time worked. So a couple of my coworkers are not getting it because they were on vacation, unfortunately. Basically, this pandemic pay time is the time to work really hard because you're getting paid for it. So far the pandemic pay for me has basically added about $2,000 to my bank account because of how much I've been working. Has really helped. I was able to get my car fixed, which I need my car to be able to get to and from work and to appointments. That was something I really needed. Unfortunately, I didn't get to use all the money to treat myself, but it has definitely helped my family. I actually went back to work early in January, right before quarantine and everything happened. COVID was already in the works around November, December time, so I knew going back to work there was a chance that we'd go into like lockdown, but we've already been in lockdown before for just other viruses, so it's something we're used to as PSWs, but it's definitely been very different because we've been on lockdown since I think March 9th. We went on lockdown a little bit before the pandemic was announced, which was, I believe, March 17th. I wish the pandemic pay would continue because we're still going through the pandemic. We're still facing challenges, but more so I wish that something will be done for us to ensure that we're going to be okay in the future. Because this is going to happen again. Viruses are going to continue to get worse and worse. Long-term care is already in a bad situation, and I think a big part of something that will help is if PSWs get regulated. I'm also going to put a letter down below from the Ontario PSW Association. It's a template they've already created that you can send to forward to ask for PSWs to be regulated. Even if you're not a PSW, you can send this to forward to help support us. I'll see you guys in another video, and I hope PSWs get regulated. Bye.